SDBN4 Token PreSale Detailed Description. Duration: Start May 1, 2025. End May 31, 2025. Token purchase conditions: Total available tokens, 40,000 SDBN4, 10% of the total issuance. Maximum total value, 400,000 USDT or USDC. Token price, 0.01 USDT or USDC per SDBN4. Why purchase now? Participants in the presale will receive an extra 30% bonus on their deposited amount. Obtain tokens at a discounted rate, enhancing your potential future returns. Token distribution date: SDBN4 tokens purchased during the presale will be distributed to the wallet used for payment on the official token launch date. Purchase limits: Minimum purchase during presale, 1,000 USDT or USDC in one transaction. Deposits under 1,000 USDT will not participate in the presale. These purchases will be fulfilled at the standard price after the official token launch. Each transaction is processed individually. Combining transactions is not permitted. Purchase procedure: and register on Token PreSale SDBN4 Token. 2. Verify that you are using an ERC20 compatible wallet. 3. Send your payment to the provided wallet address. 4. Verify your transaction's success. Important information and security tips: Only send transactions from wallets for which you control the private keys. The company is not responsible for deposits from exchange accounts. Never share your private keys with anyone. Always double-check the wallet address before making a transaction. The company accepts no responsibility for typographical errors, incorrect information, hacked wallets, or damages arising from misuse. Deposited amounts are non-refundable. ERC20 network deposit address. Wallet address. Referral Program. Participants in the referral program will receive a 10% commission credited in USDT or USDC. Frequently asked questions, FAQ. How can I verify if my deposit was successful? You can verify your transactions directly in your wallet or at https://etherscan.io address. What happens if I send my payment via a network other than ERC20? The company is not responsible for transactions made on other networks, and these funds may be lost. How do I participate in the referral program? After registration, you will receive your referral link, which you can share with others. Customer support and further information. If you have questions, please contact our customer support. Telegram group as SunMoney SDBN4. Follow us on social media. Telegram, our SunMoney SDBN4. Communication and updates. A confirmation email will be sent within a maximum of 72 hours after your purchase. Regular updates will be provided regarding the project's developments. Thank you for participating in the SDBN4 Token PreSale. We wish you great success and profitable purchases.